Imagine a smartphone that brings the thrill of motorsports right to the palm of your hand. Realme has done it again, pushing the boundaries of performance with their latest masterpiece, the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo. Stay tuned as we dive into every aspect of this beastly machine that's setting new standards in speed, design, and technology. But wait, there is more. What if we told you this device is priced for the masses, yet delivers a performance that rivals high-end flagships? Get ready, because the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo is about to redefine the meaning of fast. The Realme Narzo 70 Turbo is a device designed for speed, not just in performance but also in looks. Drawing inspiration from motorsports, this phone flaunts a vibrant yellow vertical stripe design, housing a camera module that gives it a bold, striking presence. The sleek body, combined with the phone's minimal bezels, creates a modern and dynamic aesthetic. At just 7.8 mm thick, the phone is as slim as it is powerful. Available in yellow, green, and purple, the Narzo 70 Turbo is for those who want their tech to stand out. Let's talk about the display, because, after all, that's where you interact with the device the most. The 6.7-inch punch-hole display features FHD Plus resolution and a lightning-fast 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, scrolling through social media, or watching your favorite shows, every movement is as smooth as silk. Plus, the high resolution ensures that visuals are crisp and vibrant, making the Narzo 70 Turbo a treat for your eyes. Under the hood, the Narzo 70 Turbo is powered by the new Dimensity 7300 chipset. This performance-oriented chip is built to handle everything from casual apps to heavy-duty gaming without breaking a sweat. Combined with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of room to store apps, media, and files without worrying about lag. The gaming performance, in particular, is where the Narzo 70 Turbo truly shines, offering consistent frame rates and ultra-fast loading times. When it comes to the camera, the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo doesn't disappoint. The 50MP main sensor captures vivid, detailed photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting stunning landscapes or detailed portraits, the AI-powered software ensures that every shot is perfectly balanced. Add to that the 8MP front camera with electronic image stabilization, EIS, and you've got a device that's perfect for selfies, blogging, and even video calls. No need to worry about running out of power with the Narzo 70 Turbo. Equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery, this device is built to last through your entire day of intense usage, whether it's gaming, streaming, or just chatting. Plus, with 18W fast charging, you can quickly get back up to full power in no time. Realme has also packed in AI-powered charging features like AI Charge Protect, ensuring your battery stays healthy even with frequent top-ups. Out of the box, the Narzo 70 Turbo runs on Android 14, which brings a near-stock experience that's fast and responsive. The OS is free from unnecessary bloatware, allowing you to customize your device as you see fit. Realme's own features like the dynamic bar and AI wallpaper generator offer cool ways to personalize your experience, making this more than just another smartphone. It's your own personal tech hub. So, why should you choose the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo? It's simple, it's fast, it's beautiful, and it's affordable. Priced competitively in the mid-range segment, this phone delivers features and performance typically found in devices twice its cost. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with their busy life, the Narzo 70 Turbo is your perfect match. Don't wait. This is one device you'll want to get your hands on as soon as it hits the shelves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about this launch. Until next time, stay tech savvy.